Hi, my name is Dr. Christina Rahm. I'm a scientist, I'm a formulator, and I'm a mother. Years ago, I had cancer, and I've continued to have issues with cancer. I also have had Lyme's disease, and I've had my family struggle with everything from Alzheimer's disease to cancer to different types of autoimmune disorders. So as a scientist, I've always looked for solutions. One of the best things I think I've ever created is a formula called Clean Slate. After years of working in the pharmaceutical industry, I really wanted a natural thing that could help people. I wanted something that could go into people's bodies and really tear apart and eradicate the heavy metals and toxins and get rid of the things that people don't need. People brush their teeth every day. People take baths. They wash their hair. They put on makeup. But what is happening on the inside of your body? On the inside of your body, there's all kinds of heavy metals and pollutants and environmental toxins like viral particles, bacteria, different types of parasites and fungus. I really needed something that could tear that apart in the body and safely remove it from the body, and at the same time, help heal and protect and provide. That's where Clean Slate came in. This is a natural product. It has vitamins, it has trace minerals, and it has different things that go into the body so that you can clean the inside of your body, so you can support your body. I never claim to cure anything, but I do say this. The formulas that I work on are here to not just help my family, but to also help yours, and not just help people in the country that I live in, but people throughout the world. I made it with my children in mind, and it's something that I think will help your families as well.